Amazing, amazing guys, amazing. This is amazing, amazing. Wow. You will reduce the fire if it is almost ready. We usually reduce the fire, as you can see here. Thank you so much. What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kerry. It's another kind of time here that we have made today. I thank you all my viewers, my subscribers, my new subscribers. I thank you all for coming back here to watch my channel again. I say hello, how are you outside there? In the name that I send my gratitude all to you who are watching my channel. I thank you all on a high level. I welcome you back to my channel again. As you come back here to watch my channel, thank you so much. Here comes today we are going to prepare some soup, some vegetable soup, as you can see, and we are going to break some vegetables here. You know, here we at the village we usually break vegetables from the garden here, so I have to go with you. Let's move, and so that we can go and break the vegetables. These are traditional vegetables, as you can see here, where people are asked, they are asked from hospitals to eat the vegetables for their better health. That is it. Let's move. Wow, now this is it. The vegetable is here. As you can see, this is a small garden, but this is the only vegetable that is really health. For your health, you should have these vegetables here. It's called nderema in our language. In Kiswahili, I don't know, they call them nderema also, but it's a traditional language. Mostly people, those ones who come from Kenya here, or those people who are living here in Kenya, in our East Africa, they know what nderema is, and they usually know how it is being cooked. Today I'm gonna use it for making soup here. As you can see, we can pluck some of the leaves here. I don't need much of it, but I need just like a bunch of it so that we can go and prepare soup. And the traditional soup is usually people who are in hospitals, those people are asked to have these traditional veges. Like there is the other one that is called, it's also from the pumpkin leaves. It's also eaten as a traditional vegetable. Here you mix with nderema. This nderema here, it grows like this. Some tenderies, I don't know, they call tenderies, like this one here. It keep on dwindling like this, it goes. That is it. You can see the stems. Actually the leaves, they grow at the stems, as you can see. So we have to pluck it, a little bit of it. I need a bunch of it so that we can go and prepare the soup. This is how we pluck the leaves now. This is it. Here. Actually, it is rare to get this in nderema. It's not found anyhow. If you don't plant it somewhere at your garden, you cannot find it anyhow. So you just, if you find it on the way or anywhere that you are walking, and then you find it, you just uproot it and go and plant it at your garden, so that you will enjoy the health of this vegetable here. Here you go. This is it. Yeah, I think this one is enough here for today, so that I'm gonna go and show you how we're gonna prepare it with some of the other stuff. We prepare soup. Actually, it is around 2 o'clock now, and the sun is up overhead here. As you can see the sun. That is it, this overhead here. So I decided to come outside here, and then we shall see our nature outside here. Our Africa looks, it's very clean. You enjoy the nature, and the oxygen is all over here. People are not congested like in town. Here in the village, people enjoy the greatness of nature here. Thank you. Actually, these are the vegetables that I was telling you. This is the vegetable that we have brought from the garden with you. And this is, I need 2 tomatoes. I need 2 tomatoes and 2 potatoes, plus 1 carrot and some spring onions, as you can see here. You can see the stuff. Vegetables, 2 potatoes, 2 tomatoes, 1 carrot, and the other spring onions. As usual, I like cooking with spring onions. They are roughly, they give the aroma and the taste of the food. Guys, what we wanna do here, we wanna peel the potatoes. We peel the potatoes. Here I am using a knife. I don't have a peel, so I have to use this knife here, as you can see. These are the fresh potatoes from the garden. Yeah. Remember, I'm live from the village from Mara's home. Diumango's home, and David Junior is home. That's where I am just joining my channel from. Here it is. So now the carrot. I do like this. To remove the eyes of the carrot. Actually, I need the skin most of all. The skin is valuable in everything. It has all the nutrients. The spring onion here. Here, this. This is village life. You can do the stuff anywhere you want. These are the tomatoes. Leave some comments if this is the mouth or this is the eye. I never knew. You remove the eye. The other one here. Wow. Here they are. So I put them in some water. So we cut them. I need into 4 slices out of the 1 potato. Like this. Another one. Whoops. With the carrots, I need to put it into a half. I have to put it into a half, and then I cut it into big. Like that. Just reduce the potatoes, because for the soup it doesn't need. You need your size that you may choose to make it. It needs your size, as I say here. how they look now, and then we go to the kitchen now. We go to the kitchen. Guys, the fire is on, and this is the frying pan that I'm going to use here. As usual, you know the frying pan here. You leave the comments if you know, if you think that this is the best frying pan that you have to use for this soup. I'm going to put it. There you go. It's too much fire. Oh, yeah. So we put. I don't need this stone here. That is it. So what I need from here is just a tablespoonful of oil. This is the oil here, because in the soup you don't need a lot of oil. This is it. Wow. We go on. This is the stuff here. So what I have to do first, I have to put the other stuff, the carrot and the potato. See how they look. It's done. I need some fire now. So the roasted, we are near where the chickens are staying. Guys, as usual here, these are my spring onions, as you can see them. So I have to cut sizable. For the soup, you cut such a size in my local way, like this size here. That's too much fire. Resizing. Some tomatoes now. That's how we cut here at the village. Oh, it's done. This is some salt here. We add some salt. This is the salt. We add some salt now. Look how lovely it is. Wow, very lovely. Next thing we put the veges now. Veges you put them first because, and I don't need to cut them because they are very soft, very soft. So we have to put, and then we start. You stir until some like the veges They are almost getting ready, and then wow, see how lovely it is. That is it. Guys, what we have to do now is to add some water because we need a soup. This is the water here. We stir now. Wow. See how it is. This is very, very lovely. From there we cover it for some like 20 minutes to 30 to 25 minutes so that the soup will be ready. Hope you enjoyed the video as we wait together here for the soup, so that if you could have been here, we could have shared the soup together here. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Be ready to taste the soup. We cover now. Guys, leave some comments here if this is the way you cook some soup at home. And this soup is actually for the infant. Someone who is sick in hospital is supposed to be given this soup or before dinner time, or it should go with the dinner, as you can see here. This is it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for coming back to watch my channel again. I am Grace Kerry Mission. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and leave some comments here down there and give me a thumb. As we continue waiting for the soup to be ready, I want to show you how it is ready and we're gonna enjoy it together. Thank you so much. Ciao ciao, bye bye. These are some rocks here, as you can see. Thank you.